Okay, let us examine this question. It says that Cheng Sun bought some soup and placed them in 3 bowls of the same size, A, B, C. They are made of different materials. So I would like you to annotate this. So you can annotate this one, different material, same size. Okay. So here you can see after 5 minutes, he found the towel felt warmer and recorded the temperature. So explain why the towel became warmer. So you notice this part because it says that he bought some hot soup. So it's boiling hot, right? Yeah. So maybe the soup is like 90 degrees. Okay, the soup is 90 degrees. So when you pour the hot soup inside, right, the first thing that gain heat is the bowl, right? Because the bowl is in direct contact with the soup. And then the heat will transfer from the inner bowl to the outer bowl. So the heat gets transferred from here. So for this question, right, you need to mention about the bowl gain heat from the hot soup, and then the heat being transferred from the bowl to the towel. Okay, so this part you say that. Explain what? Explain why the towel became hot. Okay, the bowls gain heat from the hot soup. The heat from the bowls was being transferred from the bowl to the towels. Okay, there's another alternative answer because some schools do not teach this one, heat transfer. So instead of writing heat transfer, you can say that alternatively, you can say this part. The towels gain heat from the bowl. Okay. So this part. Okay. The bowls gain heat, not get heat. Later I change. The bowl gain heat from the hot soup. The heat from the bowls get transferred to the bowl. So I was mentioning this part. The heat from the bowl, right? This one. This part was being transferred from the bowl to the towels. So instead of writing this, you can also put this in. Okay. The bowls gain heat from the hot soup. The towel gain heat from the bowls. So it's from one to the other. Okay. The bowls gain heat from the hot soup. The towel gain heat from the bowls. Okay, based on the above result, which bowl will contain the hottest soup after 6 minutes? So we must have one condition. That means the temperature of all the 3 bowls, right, of the soup must be the same. So we can annotate this. Okay, so we look at here. So tower B, right, the temperature is lowest, correct? So it means that the material to make bowl B is a porous conductor of heat. Because, no, sorry, it's not it's a porous conductor of heat. Because after 5 minutes, right, the tower only reached 38 degrees. That means the heat from the bowl, right, get transferred at a slower rate to the tower. So it must indicate the material. So you want to contain the soup, to make sure it is the highest temperature, you should use this because it's a porous conductor of heat. Okay, so which bowl? So I said bowl B. Okay, bowl B. Okay, but you must explain using this result. So you can say that Okay, tower B has the lowest temperature. This shows that the material of bowl B is the porous. Okay, you must use the comparison. The porous conductor of heat. Okay. Tower B has the lowest temperature. This shows that the material of bowl B is a porous conductor of heat. Okay. Therefore, the soup in bowl B will lose heat slowest. Okay. Allowing the soup inside it to have the highest temperature after 6 minutes. Okay, this part. So let me explain once again. So you must indicate the correct bowl B. Okay, then you must use the result above. So you can see here, right? So tower B has the lowest temperature. So what does this show? This shows that the material of bowl B is a porous conductor of heat. So you must indicate this property. Okay, therefore the soup in bowl B will lose heat slowest. Okay, use the right adjective, slower, because there are 3 of them. So if there are 2, you just use slower. Now there are 3 or even more, then you use the superlatives. Slowest, porous. Allowing the soup inside to have the highest temperature after 6 minutes, because they say hottest soup. So hottest soup means highest temperature. So this is the 2-mark questions. Okay. So those of students who need more help, you can contact me to help you in your P5 and P6 science. Thank you.